This is the Gaumont British News, presenting the world to the world. With the coming of the party season, Paris jeweller Claire displays his glittering collection of the latest fashions. A matching set of necklace and ear pendants whose flawless beauty can only enhance the loveliest gown. Man, as the poet might say, pays tribute to Eve's crowning glory, with a diadem of brilliance to match the sparkle in her eyes. In the South Seas, flowers are used to adorn the hair, but Paris prefers jewels. They give both sparkle and security, with a capital S. No longer is a maiden's face her fortune, it's now measured by the length of her ear pendants. Claire tells us that this brooch of diamonds is most necessary for the madame's adornment. If so, say we, how can any man keep a wife and a bank balance? Last out of the beauty box, an ornate wristlet watch. Oh well, men never learn. They'll spend a small fortune giving a present like this, and it's a safe bet she'll arrive 10 minutes late to receive it.